When you picture Jesus, do you see a white man with light skin and flowing hair? That image is familiar, but it's far from historical reality. Today, I'll explore what Jesus likely looked like based on research and history. First, let's address Jesus' geographic origin. Jesus was born in Bethlehem and lived in Nazareth, regions in the Middle East, which is modern-day Israel and Palestine. These areas were populated by Semitic people, whose physical traits included brown skin, dark hair, and Middle Eastern features. So, where did the image of a white Jesus come from? Well, the white Jesus image became prominent during European colonization and the Renaissance. During this time, artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo painted Jesus to reflect European ideals. These depictions were more about cultural influence than historical accuracy. What does archaeology tell us? Anthropologists have studied 1st century Jewish skulls to reconstruct what a typical man from Jesus' time would look like. The findings suggest he likely had olive or darker skin, short curly hair, and a beard, consistent with the people of that era and region. Why does this matter today? Recognizing Jesus' true ethnicity helps break down cultural and racial biases, reminding us that he didn't belong to one race or nation. Jesus' message was universal. He came for all people, regardless of race. Understanding Jesus as a Middle Eastern man can be empowering for people of diverse backgrounds who often feel excluded by Eurocentric portrayals of Christianity. It's a reminder that faith transcends ethnicity and nationality. Ultimately, Jesus' physical appearance is less important than his teachings of love, compassion, and forgiveness. These teachings are meant for everyone. So let's recap. Jesus was a Middle Eastern Jew, not a white European. His physical traits likely matched those of 1st century people in the region: brown skin, dark hair, and Middle Eastern features. And while cultural portrayals of Jesus have varied over time, what truly matters is the universality of his message, which transcends race and ethnicity. Jesus' appearance may not match traditional images, but his message of love and salvation is for everyone. Let's embrace that inclusivity and focus on what truly matters: his teachings and their impact on our lives. If this video gave you a new perspective, like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content about faith and history.